Welcome back everyone. I hope you are doing well. If you are new on my YouTube channel NFT Insider, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. Today we are checking about the new amazing project that's name is God Farming. In this video I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, let's start our video. Welcome to goat farming. Why goat farming is a compelling investment opportunity. By investing in a goat farming operation, you can tap into the dual revenue stream of milk and meat production with the right management and infrastructure in place. A goat farming operation can generate significant revenue and provide a rapid return on investment. In fact, a well-managed goat farm can provide a return on investment of up to 20 to 30% per annum, making it a highly attractive investment opportunity. So you can see here all detail. You can click here and see this further detail about goat farming. Goat farming, the goat train factory for leeks. It is really the leeks on the grassland cannot stop being harvested. This can take off with the goat farming craze. There are so many goats that you can form a mini hip hope group. They have plenty of milk, fresh meat, thick fur and basket of ways to make money. So you can click here and see this why goat farming. Goat farming, you can see here now goat farming rapidly growing industry. You can see here the detail. You can see this lucrative nature of goat farming. Goat provide two valuable revenue stream, milk and meat. Goat milk is a highly sought after product, particularly in the production of cheese, butter and other dairy products. In fact, goat milk is often considered a premium product, commanding a higher price than cow milk. Goat meat, on the other hand, is staple in many cuisine around the world. It's a lean protein that's rich in nutrient and low in fat, making it an attractive option for health conscious consumers. So you can see here the article. You can click here and you can see this why goat farming is compelling investment opportunity. You can see here or discuss this. You can see here the about. You can read carefully article. You can see the chart of goat farming. So you can click here and see this chart on Dex tool. You can check here the goat farming. You can see here the chart of goat farming pricing up and down. You can get profit now. You can see here the total market cap amount, liquidity 20.2k dollar, circulating supply, holders, total market cap 24 volume, total supply, volatility. You can see here the article. You can see this and next we can go to the official website and next we can go to the white paper. So you can click here and read the white paper of goat farming. Guys, you can see this goat farming, the first token with real world agricultural utilities. You can see about us, why goat farming key variables, goat farming tokenomics, goat farming roadmap. You can see the about us. So why you can see here the article. You can see this goat farming tokenomics, goat farming roadmap. You can check here the article we discussed later, tokenomics and roadmap. And next we can go to the official website and see the small detail. You can scroll down and check here the partner Binance, desk screener. You can see the spring sale, coin market cap. So you can see here the key components for goat farming. Initial stock, we have commenced operation with 50,000 goats carefully selected for their high quality genetics and adaptability to diverse environments. NGO partnership, we have established partnership with reputable NGOs to distribute our go to rural community and villages. You can see the scalability. Our project is designed to scale rapidly with plans to expand our goat stock to 22 lakh within the next 4 months. Domestic and international markets, we will target both domestic and international markets, capitalizing on the growing demand for goat meat, milk and hide products. Technology integration, we will leverage advanced agricultural technologies such as precious farming, animal tracking, and data analytics to optimize our operations, improve efficiency, and reduce costs. So you can see here the key components. You can check here the contract address. You can copy this contract address. Now you can see here the talk to me. So you can see this total supply 1 billion, ecosystem development 30%, resort 25%, private and pre-sale 20%, team and advisor 15%, partnerships and collaboration 10%. So you can see here you can see this roadmap. You can check here the project initiations, project announcement, introduce god farming to the crypto community, token creation, develop and deploy the god farming token on the blockchain, white paper release, publish the project white paper outlining the vision, mission and technical details, community building. You can see here ecosystem development, god farm establishment, set up the initial god farm and begin operation, technology integration, implement blockchain based solutions for supply chain management and animal tracking, partnership development, collaborate with suppliers, distributors and industry experts to expand the ecosystem, token listing, list god farming on reputable cryptocurrency exchanges. So you can see here the expansion and adoption. Farm expansion, scale up god farm operation to increase production capacity, decentralized application development, create a DApp for goat farming holders to participate in governance, track farm operation and assess exclusive rewards, influencers and community partnerships, strategic partnership. You can see here the global reach and sustainability. International expansion, establish partnership with goat farms and distributors in new regions, sustainability initiatives, implement environmentally friendly practices and renewable energy sources in farm operations, goat farming stacking and validations. You can see here the decentralized finance integration. You can read carefully all details, continue innovation and growth. Research and development, continuously explore new technologies and innovations to improve farm operations and the god farming ecosystem. Community engagement, foster a strong engaged community through regular updates, AMAs and events, strategic acquisitions, pursue strategic acquisitions to expand the god farming ecosystem and increase its global presence. So guys, you can see here this is the roadmap. So you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this god farming official Twitter page is open. You can follow here god farming at this establishment, set up the initial god farm and begin operations, technology integration, implement blockchain based solution for supply chain manage. So you can follow now. You can back to the official website and see this. So you can go to the Telegram now and subscribe this project Telegram channel and join the Telegram chat community. So guys, our website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.